the Instagram Notes camera option is missing on your phone, here's how you can fix it step by step. The first thing you need to do is update your Instagram app. Open the Play Store, tap on the search bar, and type in Instagram. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Once the app is updated, return to your home screen. Tap and hold the Instagram icon, then select the Info button or App Info. Scroll down to the Storage option and tap on it. From there, clear the cache. Now go back to your home screen and open Instagram to see if the problem is fixed. For many users, this step is enough. If the issue is still there, don't worry. Try this next method. Open Instagram, tap your profile icon, and then tap the three-line menu at the top right corner. Scroll down until you see the Help option and tap on it. Next, select Report a Problem. Tap on Report Problem again, then choose Include and Continue. Here, describe the issue. Explain that the Notes camera option is not showing. Once you've written the description, tap Send. After submitting, wait a few hours for Instagram support team to review it. Most of the time, the issue gets resolved after this step. That's all you need to do to fix the Instagram Notes camera not showing problem. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment if it worked for you, and subscribe for more simple tutorials.